In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to make Black Flash in Heroes Battlegrounds. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how you can perform a Black Flash. If you are watching gameplay of Heroes Battlegrounds, you might have noticed that sometimes people are able to do a finisher that looks like a Black Flash. It is basically a powerful red electric punch, which is a Black Flash lookalike. And if you pay attention, you will notice that every time they are going to be playing as the Mastered Hero Slayer. So first, for you to make a Black Flash, you need to be playing as the Mastered Hero Slayer. To my knowledge, you will only be able to do the actual Black Flash as him, so keep that in mind. Once you are playing as the Mastered Hero Slayer, you will be able to make Black Flashes by first killing or eliminating any player. So you will have to kill someone, and immediately this will enable a passive that you have. Now, if you walk up to any other player after killing someone and you do 4 M1s, the final M1 will be followed by a powerful red electric punch, which, like I said, is the Black Flash lookalike. This launches the opponent really far away, and you can do multiple punches until this passive runs out. The passive does not let you make combos after the final M1, and the passive gets triggered after a final M1, so keep that in mind. Down slams will not trigger it. So all that you have to do is kill someone, this will reset all of your moves and grant you the passive, and once you do 4 M1s after you kill any player, you will be able to finish them off with a Black Flash. It looks and feels really cool, and like I mentioned, you will be able to throw them far away. So make sure that you are playing as the Mastered Hero Slayer, kill a player, and then do 4 M1s after you kill any other player, and you will be able to see the Black Flash effect go out. As long as you are able to get this passive in time, you will be able to get it done. You can do it with your fists or the katana, it doesn't matter. You just have to kill someone before. I hope I was able to help you on how to make Black Flash in Heroes Battlegrounds. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.